Hey guys, my name is Italy for everyone that doesn't know me, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do bathrobe curls. Believe it or not, I got these curls using just a bathrobe. This curling method has been going around TikTok for quite a while now, and it's made a lot of videos very viral, and I kind of just wanted to break it down to you guys and really show you guys how you can get this look. And it's literally just 5 minutes, and then you go to sleep and you wake up like this. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Okay, that was weird. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I do it, how I make it a little easier for myself. Just make it less confusing, because I know some TikToks can be just really fast and sometimes you're watching them, and if it's not in your area of expertise, you're just like, what's going on? How did you do that? Can you slow it down? So that's what YouTube is for. If you want to see how I do it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my hair about 80 to 90% air dried, so it's just a little damp. Next, I'm going to take the belt from my bathrobe and place it on top of my head. I start off by picking up a section of hair closest to my hair part. I wrap that hair around the belt, and before wrapping it again, I will pick up more hair along my hairline. Then I will just continue this pattern, and for now I'm only picking up hair that frames my face. I won't start picking up any hair from the back section until I reach ear level. I'm very light-handed with the whole process. I don't like to make it tight. I find that if they're too tight, they become really uncomfortable to sleep with. Like, I'll have sections tugging and pulling on my hair while I turn, and it's just not a comfortable experience. You can use any bathrobe belt for this, but I suggest using one that has either a microfiber or blanket type of material. This will prevent any breakage. So when wrapping the hair, I like to twist and wrap at the same time. I find that my curls always turn out better when I do this. In the ends, I like to put the twist as close together as possible, because as you'll see in a little bit, they tend to unravel. Okay, so when securing the hair to the belt, I like to use cotton hair ties. Using a cotton hair tie is less damaging than a regular hair tie. I've actually completely ditched the regular black rubber hair ties, and I only use these. I've noticed less breakage throughout my hair after making the switch. So yeah, if you are interested in purchasing these, I will leave the link in the description. They are just from Amazon. So those are all the steps. As you can tell, it was pretty simple and easy. Now I will just complete the other side, and I will see you in the morning. I really want to say good morning, but it is noontime. Actually, I completely slept in, but that's okay. This past week I've only been getting like 5 to 6 hours of sleep, so it was much needed. But let's see how they came out. They look a little crazy at the bottom. That's what happens when you leave them out like snakes. That's why if I were doing this in the daytime, I would roll it up and have like that Princess Leia style. But that's not comfortable when you're sleeping, so I prefer to just risk it getting messy and be comfortable than to not be comfortable. Okay, so that's gonna conclude this video. Comment down below if you're going to try it out or if you've already tried it out and how you like your results, what you're gonna try differently if it possibly didn't come out right the first time. I find that my hair looks a little bit of a combination of curly slash my natural hair. So it doesn't look exactly how it looks when I curl it with a wand, and it doesn't look exactly at my natural wavy state. It's kind of like an in-between, which I really love that for casual days. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.